On May 4th, Coal Miners' Day is observed in India to recognize sacrifices and contributions of coal miners who power country's energy backbone. Coal miners working underground face numerous hazards, including risks of explosions, toxic gases, roof collapses, and heat. These dangers are exacerbated by the deep underground environment up to 610 meters below the surface. Around 8.4 million people work worldwide in coal value chains, including 6.3 million in mining, processing, and transportation, and 2.1 million in power generation. With about 998 million tons in 2023 to 2024, India is the second largest coal producer globally after China.
Over 95% of coal in India is produced by public sector companies led by Coal India Limited, who collectively employ about 370,000 persons.
But coal mining and related activities provide key source of livelihood to over 5 million people in India. Despite efforts to automate and regulate mining industry, it remains a dangerous occupation. Minister of Coal reported 226 deaths between 2020 and 2024, with 53 in 2020, 51 in 2021, 28 in 2022, 41 in 2023, and 53 in 2024. Most fatal accidents were reported in Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Madhya Pradesh. Indian coal miners have organized hundreds of protests over jobs, safety, privatization, wage delays, and pension rights. Despite various schemes, government's efforts to provide healthcare and improve safety at mines, implementation is poor and few mines have emergency medical care on site. A study in 6 coal mining districts revealed that 65% of households reported chronic respiratory issues such as chronic bronchitis and asthma.